We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system from northeastern Illinois and northwestern Indiana because of a tsunami warning. A tsunami warning is in effect for south central Cook, east central Will and northern Lake counties. At 11:28 p.m., an earthquake measuring 8.8 magnitude occurred near Milwaukee, Wisconsin. As soon as the tsunami wave could cause damage to all of areas of Cook, Will and Lake counties. The tsunami wave will begin arriving at Manhattan at 12:05 a.m. and could continue until 12:15 a.m. Once again, a tsunami warning has been issued for the coastal areas of Illinois at 11:28 p.m. The National Weather Service will continue to monitor the situation and update this post every hour or sooner as conditions warrant. Repeating, a tsunami warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. for the following counties, in Illinois, Cook and Will, and Lake, Indiana. More information here as we looked. The National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning for the coastal areas of north central, northeastern and east central Plotagonia, including the following counties: McPherson, Oregon, Warren, Sevier, Furters, Solano, Bolster, Zenith, and Roane. This is a result of an 8.9 earthquake near Milwaukee, Wisconsin that struck at 11:28 local time in the midnight, in Wisconsin. If a tsunami wave is generated, it is expected to arrive at Roane at the mouth of Roane Bay at 12:08 p.m., the afternoon. A tsunami warning means a tsunami is imminent, and the coastal locations in the warned area should prepare for flooding. The National Weather Service is updating conditions hourly or as conditions warrant. This concludes the activation of the emergency alert system. Repeating, the National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning for the coastal areas of north central, northeastern and east central Plotagonia, including the following counties: McPherson, Oregon, Warren, Sevier, Furters, Solano, Bolster, Zenith and Roane. This warning remains in effect until 12:35 p.m.